I'm about to film.
And put it on your social media.
I'm put it on my social media and put it on my internet radio show. I need to interview you. So, Miss Regina Walker. Right there, and with all the creams and everything else like that, we got some stuff going on. So, this is bin number 3. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Again, I'm walking around here, talking to all the vendors and everything else like that. Just walking around here. We got to get this stuff together for our people. So this is for you guys to get everything that you actually need for your household, for your personal, to get your health together. Pretty much, you might get some school supplies. I don't know. But I'm going to be filming pretty much the rest of the day until I'm on about 2. Then I'm going to stop because I got some stuff I need to take care of. So, all right, what's going on? Hello.
How you doing?
I'm fine. I'm with VoiceItRadio.com, Larry Gardner. Voice of Radio Headlines and Headaches. I see you got the nicest stuff over here.
Thank you.
What is-
Paparazzi jewelry, $5 plus tax. Everything is nickel and lead free. All of our necklaces come with bonus earrings. All of our rings have stretch in them, so they'll fit any arm. They will fit every arm. The jewelry is absolutely fantabulous. You cannot go wrong with it.
Paparazzi jewelry. You got a card or something like
Yes, I had
that?
something up there. And you can shop on our website. We get new pieces every single day, Monday through Friday, no weekends.
Okay, thank you very
So
much.
it's always changing. It's always evolving.
Okay. I'm with VoiceOfRadio.com, internet radio show, Headlines and Headaches, African American station. I just love seeing African American women like yourself shining right about now. So how long you been doing this for?
I have been just doing it for a little over a year. I celebrated my first year paparazzi anniversary on last month. But I am absolutely loving this. The business is remarkable. The jewelry is just second to none. We have pieces that you can dress up, you can dress down, you can wear it to a wedding. I say it like this: you can wear it to church on Sunday and work on Monday, baby.
Church on Sunday, work on Monday. Sound like a plan.
Yeah.
You're going to be out here pretty much all day, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, I will.
All right. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
No problem. So as I'm walking around here, seeing all these other nice things going on. So, this is interesting. Hello, hi, I'm Larry Gardner, VoiceOfRadio.com. What you got over here? What's your name?
So my name is DeVille, and my brand is Victoryville Merch. And what I got is bracelets and t-shirts and hoodies. So basically, I started off with bracelets, and then I added t-shirts to my brand. So it went from you buy a t-shirt for $25, and it comes with either a free anklet or a free bracelet, and then it goes from graphic tees to hoodies. And then I have best friend bracelet sets. These come with 2 for $12, so you get $6 each bracelet. And then I have original bracelets, so I call it the Victoryville Original. It's $7. It comes with 3 charms. That's how I first started off my business, so that's how I keep it intact. And then we have custom, so you can get your name on it with 3 charms for $15. Then you have the grab back bracelet. You get 3 charms, an initial and your grad year. Then you got zodiac charm. You got a theme bracelet. Then we got anklets too. So I got my anklets, bracelets, and necklaces.
Okay. So pretty much you have like a website, card, or anything that can
I have a website. I don't have a card for you. My website is victoryvillemerch.com, and my Instagram is victoryvillemerch. So yeah, it's pretty simple to remember. I will get cards soon and stuff, but for right now, I do have a website and an Instagram.
Okay, that's what's up. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No problem. So I'm gonna be moving along, and you got these butters over here, right? What's your name?
My name is Alex Constante. We have pretty much incense candles, everything homemade, wax melts, and we also have the wax melt warmers here, everything natural. Our Instagram is 80 cents.
Okay.
Facebook 216 80 cents.
Okay. You got
Separate pellet candles,
Okay.
odor eliminating candles. everything down.
Okay. You got a card?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's right there. So it's right there in front of me. So look out for them homemade candles, wax, and incense, stuff that you need for your home. So I'm going to check you out, call you, set up a future thing that you can come to the studio and talk about your stuff and hopefully bring some stuff by and have me spend my money on somebody that, on myself. I'm single. I don't have All right. No problem. Thank you very much. I'll see y'all later. How you doing, sir? You're from NA?
Yeah, Lakewood General Services.
Okay.
We just passing out some public information.
Okay.
They have drug problems today.
So that's for the NA Narcotics Anonymous. Make sure you get your help. Make sure you get your stuff like that. I'm going to take these brochures and put them out at my station for anybody that needs help. All right. Thank you very much. All right. So, man. Ooh. Because I'm seeing these sunglasses and all this other stuff.
Talking to me, man. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm like trying to find the owner of this nice little thing here. What's your name, sir?
I'm doing the lighting stuff.
Oh, you doing the lighting?
Lighting.
The lighting. Okay, so. All right, cool.
Hi, how are you? We
I'm
have
fine.
different career centers around Cleveland and early learning center in that.
So we got we got from the centers. We got some other things, and we got some other stuff going on right now. So Brightside Academy is out here. The Cleveland Public Library is out here. Oh shoot! I need these. Okay, so pardon me. I'm just picking up free stuff as we're going along. You know, this is. I'm just getting some free stuff as we go along. So, how you doing, sir? Larry Gardner, VoiceOfRadio.com, Headlines and Headaches. What's your name?
Clayton Cunningham.
Clayton Cunningham. You part of the Cleveland Public Library?
Yes, sir.
How much reading is important to these kids going back to school?
It's very, very important. Now they have that third grade reading level that they have to pass. A lot of our kids have fallen behind reading. So it's very, very important. That's why we have our summer reading club. To kind of keep the kids engaged in reading so they don't fall behind over the summer. Reading is very, very important to our kids.
Okay, I see you got some fans right here. This young man right here.
What's up, young man? How you doing? You been good?
So
ready to go back to school?
Yeah, Monday.
Good.
okay, so we like the kids.
Yeah, we can take whatever you want.
All right, so pretty much with the kids going back to school, how do the kids going back to school earlier and earlier? You know, how does that impact their education?
Well, they've been getting out. The kids used to get out in June, like first week of June, maybe second week of June. Now they're getting out in May and going back earlier in August. So I think it's just an adjustment. It's not so much more time they having off or less time. I think the time is still about the same. So again, it's just about what they make of their summer and keep them engaged during the summer, so that they'll be prepared to go back to school in the fall.
Okay, that's what's up. So how cool is Mr. Cunningham?
He cool.
He cool? He cool?
How you gotta be apply for a job at the library?
14.
See, I told you.
All right, so he asking about a job already. So pretty much out here with the centers. We got the sheriff guy out here. How you doing?
All right, how's your day going?
I'm great on voiceofradio.com on live. I see you're shining. Even the teeth is shining. So hi, how are you? I'm with voiceofradio.com internet radio. What's your name?
Maria, I work for the barrio, the centers for families and children.
Okay, and what do you do there?
It's a career center, so we assist people to obtain employment.
Okay, so pretty much you want to get them on the right career path, right?
Yes, we match their skills and education with the opportunities available. We assist them with the resume, cover letters, thank you note, all the tools that they need to obtain employment.
Okay, so you trying to help. So pretty much you're all around the city of Cleveland, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
We have a location at the west side at Gardner Square, and we have another location in Midtown at 4500 Euclid. These are our two locations for El Barrio Workforce Development Center.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Anything you want to say about what the centers can do for somebody that's looking for work, especially coming down here?
Yes, they can enjoy our program. We have opening sessions, we have informational sessions every Friday in our different locations. So they are more than welcome to attend and learn more about our program.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, and I will be around. What are these?
You can take a bag. It's a bag for you to collect all your goodies.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm probably gonna be uploaded with stuff, but thank you very
Okay,
much.
have a nice day.
All right. How are you? Okay. So, right now, just talking with the lady from the centers and Mr. Cunningham from the library. I'm trying to see, and this is very important. I'm trying to see what's going on with a couple other things. I may or may not stop, and I'm looking over here, so just going to ask the people here, as far as everything goes. You know, we got like a whole bunch. We got like maybe 35 to 40 vendors in the building right about now. So, and they're all from Huntington to Third Federal to PNC to everything. So I'm just going to stop and talk to a couple of people and see what they got. Especially we got Community College out here. So, how you doing?
I'm blessed and highly favored. How about you?
I'm fine. I'm
Good. I'm glad to see you.
with voiceradio.com, headlines and headaches. What you got going on out here?
Oh, you know, we just tried to see you give them that one. This is Cisco. This is IT.
hmm So,
Well, this is probably good for him. Like, you know, all the
so right now it's Tri-C. We're doing what we're doing. Tri-C's doing what they're doing. Breakthrough schools out here as well. We got Eliza Bryant Village. So let me see. Hello, how are you? From Eliza Bryant, I take it.
Yes.
Okay. Larry Gardner, voiceradio.com, headlines and headaches. Was just talking to people around there. So is there anything you want to say about Eliza Bryant?
Who are you with?
Voice of Radio.
Oh, yeah, nice. We did some advertising with that.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so Eliza Bryant Village is the oldest operating African American founded long-term care facility in the United States.
Mm-hmm.
We offer skilled nursing with a secured memory care unit, activities, good, healthy, delicious meals. We offer an adult daycare program with transportation, meals, activities, and we have independent housing for seniors. And we're opening an elder justice center in the fall for seniors who are victims of abuse, crime, or violence.
Oh, wow. So pretty much, and you helping it, and seniors, they start off at what, 65 and older?
62.
What about short-term care for people that's just coming out of surgery?
So we have that in our nursing home. So our short-term rehabilitation services are included in the nursing home, and we have you live with us, and you also have the same meals and activities as everyone in the long-term care facility too.
Okay. So pretty much, how can people be eligible if they're seniors to apply for one of these particular?
Just contact our staff at 216-361-6141, and each department will walk you through the enrollment for requirements for each program.
All right. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
and you have a great day.
You too.
All right. So we are looking at these, actually 52, vendor 52. You got some baseballs out here. Pretty much everybody selling, getting working. Everybody is working, looking, and working at the same time. I'm actually going to stop and see if I can contact a couple of people. Plus, I'm going to taking a particular break right about now. So, oh my goodness, I'm just interested in something over here as far as, looking at something over here, a vision to change. Hello.
Hi, Mary. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Thank you.
What's going on?
So
Welcome.
we're dispersing information and knowledge
On these pamphlets here
Okay.
about opioids and how to deal with like addiction, things like that. We also have these cool nifty magnets. Please take this one, and these are also really good to pass around. And then this is like an educational
information provided by CSU, and we also have this about children and like the sugar intake.
Okay.
So our kids eat a lot of sugar these days.
Right.
So yeah.
Yeah, my.
If you do the word scramble, if you get all the words, you can win like a backpack, and then also like one of these.
And don't forget to grab an apple.
Okay. Okay, Apple. I'm gonna take me a red
Your
one.
heart.
Yeah. So.
So just unscramble all the words, and then you can get like one of the bags, and then one of the.
Let me see if I can unscramble these words.
You got it.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see if you get them right.
I'm trying to get them right. Wait a minute. Hold on.
She must have got that day.
I don't know what's going on here. Oh.
And a lot of these words are like
All right.
around the table.
So I'm looking for. Oh Lord. Hold on.
But I just got here from my food.
So I'm just right here. Wait a minute. Hold on. There's nothing more than Billy Sharp in the building.
What's going on? Are you Facebook Live?
I'm actually doing a video, but I will be doing Facebook Live. So how you doing, Billy?
I'm doing all right. Come over to the McDonald's booth.
I will, as soon as I finish doing this over here.
Thank you, Larry.
No
One
problem.
step at a time.
No problem. Only got one, so I don't win nothing.
So what do you get?
Opioid.
You got opioid? Okay.
Okay.
So for prize, what you want?
You got one. What you got? You got a bag or something?
You got a bag?
Yeah.
Swag bag?
Yeah, I'll
All
take
right,
one.
take a swag bag. All right. Did you sign in for us?
I'm about to sign in right
When
now.
this was in, might be famous one day. You say, hey, you was at our booth.
All right, so I'm gonna get me a swag bag and gotcha. So I got me a swag bag, and when I come back, I'm going to head towards the McDonald's booth. Actually, I'm gonna head over there towards there. So this is Larry H. Gardner, voiceofradio.com, headlines and headaches. We're doing everything we possibly can right now to at the Glenville Festival to get the word out on some things and do other things as well. So we're about to go and do this, and then we're doing this, and then we're doing that, and I'm going to get something to eat. So if you hear me talking crazy, that's because I'm hungry. So as soon as I get something to eat, I'll be right back with more of the headlines and headaches on location at the Glenville Festival in the building. Be right back.